I play the flute because the gift of music was given to me. I feel the anticipation before I play my first note, knowing that every time I breathe into my instrument, I have the opportunity to make the world more beautiful than it was before. And I have the chance to speak about that beauty to my listeners. Music is that universal language that connects all of us. I love playing music that produces joy in the heart. There's nothing like seeing the radiant smiles of listeners enjoying themselves and feeling the air filled with love and happiness. If you're planning a party or special event, my music will make it more memorable.